Welcome to this video. Thank you ever so much for being here. I've got a really good one for you today, and this one is going to give you some untapped affiliate niches for 2024 that will work really well to build you an affiliate site, whether you're using Amazon or any other affiliate program. These are some great niches, and I'm going to give you the prompts with AI as well, so you can go and research your own niches and have a play about with the prompts. But I've got like 3 or 4 prompts for you that are really good, and they're slightly different from each other, and they will allow you to have a look at niches that will generate sales for you quickly, no competition or very little competition, and underutilized niches as well. And then I've got some advice on how you can mix up the prompts and get better results as well. So I hope you enjoy it. If you do give us a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. It does help me. Do subscribe if you're interested in building AI income streams, because I've got some prompts coming for you, downloadable prompts. Someone suggested that. I will give you a shout out as well. I didn't get his name, but I will give you a shout out for that. He suggested a downloadable list of prompts, so I've got that on the way. And I've also got some long form guides on building income stream with AI from scratch. So I'm excited to show you. If you're interested in building affiliate sites and making money, do check out the link in the description. It's called Your Freedom Ticket. In a nutshell, really briefly, it will give you 6 niches to get started with, 20 pages of content for each niche, and complete step-by-step instruction, video follow-throughs on how to get the site set up so they actually rank and you actually make money. So do check that out in the description. I think you'll really get something from it, and it will allow you to get up and running super quick. Okay, so here we go. Let's have a look at some untapped niches, and more importantly, how we can find them with AI. Okay, so the first prompt that I want to show you is this. Suggest affiliate niches for 2024 that have low competition but a rising trend and high search volume. Really simple, but it's worth mentioning. A rising trend, worth having. You know, is it becoming more popular, or is it going like downtrending? We want to ideally go for rising trends, unless it's a really big niche that's just boomed, like hoverboards or fidget spinners, if you remember them. But ideally we want to go for a rising trend and a high search volume with low competition, and here's what it has brought up. So really good ones here: smart fitness wearables for pets, things like pet activity trackers, GPS collars and smart feeding systems. Really great niche. Huge hungry crowd that will spend untold amounts on their pets. I know that we do. And if you've got pets, you're probably the same. So this is a fantastic niche, and like smart fitness and so on is going to be difficult to get into. That allows you to get into it for pets and still make some really great money. I just wanted to give you an example of this. You can see here GPS tracker for dogs, pet trackers, GPS tracker and health monitoring. Really great niche. They're selling as well. 2,000 of them have been sold in the past month. Cats as well, pet trackers. So a fantastic niche with some quite high price points, even like smart dog collars here. So great niche there. The second niche we've got suggested is portable solar power solutions, solar power banks, portable solar panels, solar generators for camping and emergency use. So that's like 3 different niches there, but definitely portable solar panels for camping, solar power banks for charging phones, and solar generators for camping and emergency use is a fantastic niche. You could target camping, you could target hurricane season, you can target power cuts. Okay, really great. You can target renewable energy, power outages, as I've just mentioned, or off-grid living as well, like survival and off-grid living. Really great niche there, and high price points. We've got AI powered personal assistants. This is really great. AI powered devices, smart speakers with built-in AI, virtual personal assistant apps. Really great. Moving away from Amazon there, but a great niche, and especially with the advancements of AI, it's what the channel's about here. definitely well worth getting into. Sleep tech, sleep trackers, smart beds, sound machines, so that's like those sort of white noise machines for sleep and so on. Light blocking glasses, really really great niche. That's actually a really good niche for an authority site because you can have all of these products on there as well. Number 5, hydroponic gardening systems, another really really great niche. I actually had a site in the LED grow lights niche, um, really massive site, and there's so many different areas: hydroponic kits, LED grow lights, nutrient solutions for indoor gardening. Huge hobby and really really great niche. You can actually do well with that with starter kits as well. Smart water filtration systems, whole house water filtration systems. And check this out, 50 of these have been bought in the past month, but it's $2,444 for the whole house water filter system. So this is a great high-end niche, really high-priced products, and they're selling as well. 500 bought, 400 bought. So that's a fantastic niche there. Really, really good. Another good one here is personal electric vehicles. So you could target lots of things here: mobility, e-bikes, electric scooters, electric skateboards. Great niche. Micro mobility. So really, really easy niche to target. I recommend going into a specific niche like just scooters or just e-bikes to begin with, but another great niche. Number 8, sustainable fashion and eco-friendly apparel. Recycled or organic material based clothing, ethical fashion brands, and biodegradable sneakers. I mean, that's a bit out there, that niche area, but they are selling really really. So that's one worth looking at. Maybe not on Amazon, but definitely one to have a look at. Smart kitchen appliances, smart fridges, app connected ovens, automatic coffee makers, smart pressure cookers. An older niche there, but really really great nonetheless. Mental wellness apps and devices, meditation apps, stress relief gadgets, wearable biofeedback devices. Another really really good niche. So again, the prompt here was: suggest affiliate niches for 2024 that have low competition but a rising trend and high search volume. Let me show you another prompt that you can use that's slightly different, and I'll not spend ages on these niches, but I'll show you some more. Generate a list of sub-niches related to XYZ that have low competition but high potential for affiliate marketing. So with this, if you have a niche area that's quite wide and you're thinking, can I get into the niche, whatever it is, that this is a really good prompt to use. Generate a list of sub-niches related to, in this case, smart kitchen appliances. So one of the niches here, number 9, that was suggested was smart kitchen appliances, but this second prompt allows me to delve deeper into that and get some just related to that. So vid machines, I'm not sure if that's said correct, but I know of this niche. It's a really really good one. App connected coffee makers, smart air fryers, smart food scales, smart blenders, smart water purifiers, smart multi cookers, smart toasters and ovens, wine fridges, ice makers, cooktops, meat thermometers, smart refrigerators with built-in cameras, smart dishwashers and smart fryers. Some 15 niches there, all to do with the kitchen. And you could also build an authority site and have sections for each of them and just stream the content, meaning have the same format of content. You could have your reviews, then a comparison, then a top 10 list, and then top usage for each product, and make an authority site. Would work really really well. I've got another prompt for you that's slightly different than the other two that you can try as well. What are some profitable niches in 2024 with high buyer intent and low competition? So the first prompt that we looked at was high search volumes, but now I'm just interested in high buyer intent, meaning when people type in keywords related to this niche, they're looking to buy. So we can see here portable EV chargers, solar powered EV chargers, mobile charging solutions for road trips, home EV charging stations, smart baby monitors with AI features, AI powered productivity tools, at home medical diagnosis kits for allergies, blood sugar monitors, smart thermometers, and so on, noise cancelling sleep headphones, Bluetooth enabled sleep headphones. Really, really great niche there. So this is obviously a slightly different take on headphones, but with sleep headphones, easier to sleep in. And you can see here 7,000 of these have been bought in the past month for $149. You've got sleep headbands, Bluetooth headbands, easier to sleep in, work light headphones, and sleep headphones. So really, really great niche there, and something a little bit different, and something that will be easier to rank. When you look at the keyword searches, sleep headphones, noise cancelling, 9,900 a month. Noise cancelling headphones for sleep, headphones for sleeping, sleep noise cancelling headphones, 5,400 a month. So really, and you've got some long tails. Can you sleep with headphones in? 590, only 8 difficulty. Another really, really great niche there. You've got portable air purifiers, the fact that they're portable, USB air purifiers, travel friendly air filters, really another one there. AI based fitness coaches, okay, fitness apps, smart personal trainers, home fitness kits with app integration. Really great, like the Peloton exercise bike would be a sort of fitting product for that, but you can also get smart personal trainers as well that work really, really well. Okay, we've got sustainable food storage solutions, silicone food storage bags, beeswax, wraps, biodegradable food containers, something that you tend to build up for a larger site, that one, because there will be a lot of lower priced products. We've also got smart pet feeders with app integration, another great niche there, similar to the pet one that we had a look at before. We've got cold plunge therapy tubs. This is a fantastic niche, and laser targeted. Remember we looked at buyer intent? Really, really good one there. Here they are, and literally someone looking for a cold plunge tub is looking for a cold plunge tub or ice bathtub. You can see here freestanding bathtubs. You can see 3,000 bought in the past month, $95. So another really, really great niche. Ice bathtub, portable ice bathtub, and then all the benefits around that. So that would be a great niche site to build up quickly. You've also got electric bikes for commuting. We had a look at electric bikes before, but another good one there. AI powered home security systems, same as security systems but with AI. Ergonomic furniture for home offices, such as ergonomic chairs, standing desks, and posture correcting desk accessories. DIY solar energy kits, solar panels, off-grid solar kits, portable solar generators. So you've got some fantastic niches there. I just want to give you one more prompt, and here it is. Suggest 5 affiliate niches that are underserved but have growing search interest for this next year. Smart home gym equipment, smart dumbbells, app connected treadmills, AI powered resistance machines, and virtual training systems. Eco-friendly home cleaning products, cleaning kits, plant-based cleaners, zero waste sponges, and so on. AI powered language learning tools. This is really good. Smart language tutors, language learning devices that use speech recognition. People looking to learn languages but with AI as well will be a fantastic niche. Home energy storage systems, residual battery storage systems, off-grid power storage solutions, and energy management systems, another high-end niche there. Personalized skincare tech, smart facial cleaning brushes, AI-powered skincare diagnostics, home skincare devices that offer tailored solutions. And there you have it. More than enough niches there. A few different prompts that you can use for getting output on niches in a slightly different way, whether you're going for high buyer intent, which will be great for less competition if you want to make sales quickly, or if you're going for a high amount of searches and the lower high amount of searches with the lowest amount of competition. They're going to be slightly harder to rank because the very fact that they get a lot of searches means that they will have competition. But try out those prompts. Find some sub niches in niche areas that you like that are under less competition, and you'll be able to build sites quickly and easily and make some really good money. So I hope you enjoyed it. Do subscribe if you did. Do give us a thumbs up, and do check out your freedom ticket in the description if you want to build some sites together. And I will see you in the next one. Cheers for watching, guys.